Now let me introduce you the interface of Final Cut Pro. So on the top you have a menu bar, you have several menus, and a very helpful is the help menu. You can search, for example, how to make a voiceover, and it will show you where to find it in the Final Cut. So here is the event browser to navigate between the different level of Final Cut, from library to event and then to project file. So on the top you have several icons. So here to open media import window we have already seen. Here you can add keywords on your videos. Here is the background task window, so there are several information to see the different process on your file, so transcoding, analysis, importing, media management, rendering, sharing, etc., etc. Here is your files browser, so that you can find all your data, but also your project, your editing project we will create. Here is the viewer window, so with several tools, here to crop and to rescale, here to balance color, how to manage the speed, and here is the inspector. You can choose several tabs: video, audio settings, information settings. It's a contextualized window, so information will appear from your project or from your original media. To introduce you the timeline part, I will create a new project. I will give it a name, cat, and here I can choose several settings. I will choose the setting, the same setting than my original data. Then I can choose the rendering and the audio recording setting. But I also can use custom settings, so the set based on the original data and the first clip will put on. So here is the timeline of Final Cut. So I have my clips put on it. Now I can have several information in the inspector window. There are several tools to how to add my clips on my timeline. Here are the tools, so there are selection, position, blade, zoom, so you can choose it here. On the right you have several tools. The first, the skimmer, the red bar. When you fly over your clip, it allows you to see your clips. These other tools allow you to hear during fly over your clip. The magnetic tool, the snapping, allows you to move faster through your clip from the start to the end of a clip, for example, or when you have put a marker on your clip. So these different elements are magnetic, so you can snap from one to another. This menu allows you to change appearance of your clips on the timeline, so you can zoom in and zoom out, and you can choose the appearance with audio tracks or video tracks and choose your scale. Then you have these two tabs where you will find effect settings and transition settings to apply on your video clips on your project. At last, the index window will allow you to navigate through your clips on the timeline.